Forest Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Walton County in Florida until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Santa Rosa Beach, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Santa Rosa Beach, Defuniak Springs, Eglin Air Force Base, Freeport, Douglas Crossroad, Portland, Villa Tasso, Defuniak Spring Airport, Rock Hill, Miramar Beach, Oceana, Pleasant Ridge, Gulf Pines, New Home, Knox Hill, Argyle, Sandestin, Mossy Head, 4 Mile Village, and Alpine Heights. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for the Panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Walton, Florida.
Christmas.